Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the first Cars and Coffee of 2022 in Pauls Valley, Oklahoma. As you can see, we have got a few showed up this morning. I think we ended off with the same temperature as we ended last year with. But we got some nice cars out here this morning. We got a 70 Chevelle 454. We've got AARs 69. SS 396. Morning, Randy.
Morning.
How are you doing?
How's that little small block in there look?
Oh, small block my tail end. I tell you what, this is one beautiful ride.
That's the original color.
You say that's original paint?
No, not original paint. That's the original color.
I'm trying to catch you there. This is a numbers matching, fully original Chevelle 396. Well, okay. It's not a full original. That motor's had some stuff done to it, but it is looking sharp. And we got a 70 model Chevelle SS 454 sitting here next to it. This is one nice looking car, and it is nowhere near stock.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're going to walk on around and show you a little bit more. I always love it when someone takes me serious about bringing some stuff to sell. I want to thank everyone who come out to this year's first Cars and Coffee at Pauls Valley. It was a huge success. Had lots of nice cars, met lots of wonderful people, and that's what it's all about. I had one gentleman who took it to heart when I said to bring old parts. He brought a whole pickup full. Sold a few things, so I told him, hey, since the booth rent was free, you made your booth rent. So, y'all, next month, May 14th, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., Wacker Park, Pauls Valley. Come on out and see us. Y'all have a good one. See you next time on Santa's Workshop.